How to add friends on Cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add friends on Cake. So how do you add a friend? The major way, okay, there are different ways, right? But the major way, first of all, so is to log in into your account and then move to the bottom right corner of your own page where you can see the plus icon. Click on it. By clicking on it, you'll see options like find people, scan a key code, start a group, public groups, meet new people. So click on find people. And then the next step would be for you to enter in the username of the person, of the friend that you'd like to add to your Kik account. So you can just enter in the username here. So after entering in the username, it will be displayed, all right, the person will be displayed. So you can just go ahead to click on the person, and then the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner, click on the more option button where you can see more options about the user. Then click on start chatting, and then the person will be added as your friend on Cake. This is majorly how you can add friends on Cake. Another option is for you to scan the QR code of your friends. Perhaps if your friends sent their QR codes to you, you can just click on the plus icon, click on scan the QR code, and then go ahead to scan the code of the invitation. And once it is scanned, the person will be added automatically as your friend on Cake. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.